Hello and welcome to the Caribbean Honeymoon Beachview Penthouse Club Level Room. This is room category PC, like Papa Charlie, here at the amazing Sandals Grande St. Lucian Resort. Hey, I'm Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. We're so glad to have you here on this channel, Mr TraveLux, which is Sandals and Beach's largest independent YouTube channel where you have so much information, everything from room and suite tours, you have insider views of the resorts, fact videos, top 10 ranking videos, and everything in between, so make sure to have a peek. My team and I, Reliant Destinations, we offer 100% complimentary service, allowing you to make sure that when you plan your vacation, it is with the utmost attention to detail. And of course, our services cost nothing for you. They're funded entirely by Sandals, so make sure to reach out. We always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out, so make sure to do that. You can reach out simply hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. Also, in the description below, there's a lot of information which you don't want to miss, so make sure to have a peek at that. There's also a brand new tool on our website, which is a questionnaire, a little quiz you can take to answer a few questions and see which of the Sandals or Beaches resorts is best suited for your ideal vacation. You get an instant answer there, so make sure to have a look at that tool and see, which of these properties really will give you the trip of a lifetime. And of course, you can reach out and we're happy to help you further there. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into the room tour here, which is the PC room here at Sandals Grande St. Lucian. Let's go. Alright, so there you have it. This has been your Caribbean Honeymoon Beachview Penthouse Club Level Room Tour here on the Mr TraveLux YouTube channel. Please do remember to like this video and subscribe for endless more content about everything Sandals and Beaches. And as we mentioned before, if my team and I at Reliant Destinations can be of any assistance to you, you can simply reach out hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. We cannot wait to see how your vacation at Tropical Paradise turns out. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope to see you back here on the channel very soon. Take care.